Hi, I'm Denise. I'm 18 and I have depression. Having depression doesn't mean I'm sad 100% of the time, and sometimes I don't even need a reason to be sad. It just comes and goes like a tidal wave.
Stop staring at the ceiling. Wake up, the sun is shining already. You wake up. I never raised my daughter to be so lazy and useless.
My mom and my grandma didn't get it. They didn't understand what depression does to me.
You siao ah. You anyhow say depression. You said. What depression?
Mommy.
You watch too much TV ah.
My mom, she lost her job. And my grandma has been putting a lot of pressure on her.
Ma, it's not so easy one, right?
Then how? You want me to go out and work or not?
How I know? Ayah, don't just go away lah, Ma.
I went for counseling sessions to help me cope. I like to think that I was getting better, but life throws us new challenges all the time.
Most workplaces across Singapore have shut as the country begins what's being called a circuit breaker.
Girl, what happened? Girl, don't scare me. Girl, what happened? Girl!
My family was falling apart. I was falling apart.